Windows 11 users are facing yet another strange bug. This time, your password sign-in button literally disappears. If your password option is missing, don't panic. Today, I'll show you the issue and Microsoft's official fix. A new Windows 11 bug is hiding the password icon on the login screen. Normally, if you click Sign In Options, you see icons for PIN, fingerprint, and password. But after recent updates, the password icon disappears completely, meaning you can't access the password field unless you already know the trick. This bug affects any PC with these updates installed, and it hits users who want to use a password instead of a PIN or fingerprint. This bug only affects people who still want to log in with their password, even though Windows Hello is configured. Here's the funny part, Microsoft says the button is actually still there, just invisible. To bring back the password field, move your mouse to the exact area where the password icon normally appears. Hover there. Click on the invisible button. Yes, it's hidden, but still clickable. If that doesn't work, Microsoft literally suggests clicking around randomly in that area. Eventually the password field should pop up. This isn't the only recent issue. Windows 11 updates have been messy lately. WinRE keyboard and mouse stopped working. LocalHost hosting broke. Task Manager started duplicating itself. Nvidia reported major gaming performance drops. All patched with emergency updates, and now, we have this invisible password button. So that's the bug, and the weird workaround. Have you been hit by this issue or another Windows update problem? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if this video helped you.